Our architecture is all about light, it's about space, it's about composition. Individual forms working together to define space and have a sense of shelter, but have a place for the spirit to soar. Every material, every color has an energy, and you have to balance those energies. But it's about light and connecting people back to nature. And to do it, we found that you can't do it by yourself. No matter how great an architect you are, how great a builder you are, you have to have a team.
The Stinson relationship is a really important relationship to us for a variety of reasons, but one of those reasons is they architect these amazing bespoke homes, right? That whenever you're involved, there's always an awe to them. They're unique, they're special, they're one of a kind. It's like working on a masterpiece, so it's something that we're always very, very excited about doing when they come around. And it's a relationship we heavily kind of hold in high regard.
More people have gone by this site and seen our job sign than anything in our entire career. I mean, people see it, so we felt this is an opportunity for an iconic solution.
When you come through the home and you go through each space, the design elements are sort of intentional so that they catch your eye where they need to from an architecture standpoint, the Charles sort of element of it. And then from a technology standpoint, they're there to complement and elevate the space to another level. When you're in this masterpiece, in this art of somebody's sort of thinking, and we're able to elevate that with ambiance, elevate that with the aesthetic of how light looks and how sound feels, is taking that to another level. And so as this project came about and we saw the kind of blueprints and the vision of it, we got very excited about kind of the cool details and the nuances that would be important to complement the architecture and the design of the home. And we knew that Sonance is always our go-to partner for those types of things.
Sound and acoustics is a really big deal. I mean, we do what we can with the architecture and the form to do it, but also visually, it has to sound great. And you don't want to see where it's coming from. It really makes a big deal because it allows the architecture to be cleaner, but you can experience it. You can enjoy it as part of the, I guess I would say, the romance and the enjoyment of the house and entertaining.
This is my first time using these invisible speakers. It was great to see that Sonance offers this product. They're located in this soffit above our head, as well as in the exercise room and in the crow's nest on the upper floor. It's really fun to have people come through and I point out, this is a speaker, and they think I'm joking. When they stop and listen to it, it's really great because the sound surrounds you. You don't know where it's coming from. The range in the speaker is good. You get nice highs, nice bass, and it seems to just fill the volume of the house.
The technology blends into the home where it is a part of the home, like it's where you expect it to be, but it's elegant and blends in and disappears when it doesn't need to be there.
The interesting thing about these ceiling speakers is we have a vertical grain fir. We demanded that they were in the center of each board, but placed in the room properly. And then we sent out the wood sample to Sonance, and they custom shaped these and put them in so the speaker cover is actually the wood that we placed the speaker in. It's very custom.
There's an experience that really works on people. It becomes a retreat. And I think it slows us down and reconnects us to nature and to ourselves.